In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Webflow, full tutorial. First, sign into your Webflow account and head to your Sites area. From there, open your project's dashboard, then click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. This brings you into the visual editor where you'll manage your pages and elements. To place the image exactly where you want it, open the Navigator panel. The Navigator gives you a clean, hierarchical view of your page structure. Use the search field to quickly locate the section or element you want to update. In this example, I'm targeting an element labeled Highlight. Click it in the Navigator to select that section on the canvas, so the new image lands in the right spot. Next, add an image element. Open the Add panel and choose Image. You'll see a tooltip that explains this element is meant for placing images and graphics. Webflow supports bitmap, GIF, PNG, JPEG, SVG, WebP, and AVIF files up to 4 MB. Click the image element to insert it into the selected section. If it doesn't appear at first, click again while the correct parent element is selected to make sure it's placed inside the right container. Before choosing the file, look for the High DPI option in the image settings. Checking High DPI helps Webflow serve the appropriate pixel density for high-resolution displays, keeping your graphics crisp on modern screens. It's a small step that makes a big difference in visual quality. With the image element still selected, click Choose Image. You can upload a new file or pick one from your asset library. After it's selected, confirm to place it on the page. Now fine-tune the image settings. Set width and height as needed. Use consistent units and avoid stretching out of proportion. If you change one dimension, consider leaving the other on auto to preserve aspect ratio. Add descriptive alt text. This is important for accessibility and SEO. Briefly describe what's in the image or its purpose so screen readers and search engines understand it. If you see a type control, adjust it to define how the image behaves in your layout based on your design needs. Finally, click Show All Settings to reveal additional options. This is where you can review any advanced controls relevant to your layout and ensure everything looks and performs the way you expect. That's it. You opened your project, targeted the right section with the Navigator, inserted an image element, enabled high DPI for sharper results, chose your file, and polished the width, height, alt text, and other settings. Publish or preview to confirm the image appears exactly where and how you intended.